Hey, what's up there, YouTube and maybe TikTok? This is Crazy Working Man. Right now I'm with one of my potato dogs, Breezy. I love Breezy. Yeah, she's one of my potatoes. And right now I'm watching Rampage, classic movie from earlier from then. So, yep. Drinking my soda. There's another one of my dogs, Jade. She's the oldest of the bunch, but yeah. Man, I got a headache. I think I kind of hurt my brain a little bit this morning. What is that? A little last night, so yeah. My uncle's chair, my potato dog, my potato. I'm a potato. Sometimes these dogs are couch potatoes. They like to take over a couch. Yeah. Yeah, I got a freaking headache, man. Rampage was a good video game. I got at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm just chilling, so think about recording tomorrow, so my work, and I'm about ready to lose battery on earlier, so yep. Yeah, it's my first time filming me watching TV on my freaking camera, so my phone's in my room, probably needs a charge, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm very much yeah.
What's your favorite part of the kitchen?
Anyways, I'm out here.
Nope. The inside. Innovations?